another video, and today we're going to be reviewing
the Apple Vision Pro in the flesh here on Broken Reactions. We said we're going to demo it, and we're going to do it for you. So here it is. Let's get into it. Let's do the immersive environments. Left side, that little sidebar. Now.
Okay, let's go to
the main. I don't care which one.
Let's go to this one. Oh. Okay.
Now, press the digital crown. Yeah. Okay. Now turn the digital crown. Turn it.
Whoa. Okay.
Now look around. Look around you.
Oh my God, bro.
It's like you're.
Bro, I'm in here. Hi everybody down there. How you doing, guys?
I'll show a screen recording, but this is hilarious.
Oh my God.
Let's pick another one.
Okay.
Click the digital crown.
Okay.
Okay. Pick another one.
Oh! Woo!
Yes.
Where are we? Where are we? Where's the guy walking?
You are in Yosemite.
Hi! Hi, guy in the woods.
Let's try another one.
Okay.
Mount Hood. Middle one. Do you see the lake?
Yeah.
How it's moving?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like you're there.
Why is it raining?
You can hear the rain?
Yeah.
It's raining in the environment.
I'm fishing.
This is awesome.
I'm fishing. Hi everybody, hi Wild. Why is it raining? It's pouring down here. It's pouring, dude. It's raining. I can see you fading.
Now you know you can watch movies in this. I'm going to explain that to you. So let's get out of the environment. Click the digital crown.
Okay.
And let's go back to our apps.
There we go.
Let's go to Safari again.
All right.
Now let's search up one of our videos. Search up Broken Reactions.
Oh, there we go. Oh.
Done. We're gonna watch our own video here. So click on the channel. Go to videos. Let's go to a gaming video. Click a gaming video.
Oh.
Oh, that's not a gaming video.
There we go. There we go.
Well, that's pretty cool. You can watch our gaming videos in the Apple Vision Pro. Alright, well, let's X out of that.
There we go. Okay.
Let's try Freeform. How's this gonna work? I have not tried this before, so I don't know what to expect out of this.
Oh. Okay.
Use your finger, just one finger.
There we go.
Can you draw with your finger? Does it work?
Yeah.
Without pinching, without pinching. Does it work without pinching?
No.
No. Well, that's interesting. Alright, let's record a video.
There we go.
Now let's start a video. Look at me. Woo!
Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Freeform Reactions here, back with another video.
I'm gonna look. What's up?
And today we are going to be doing a clock test. Here we go.
Yes,
See?
here we go. I'm gonna hold these in the air. Okay, I'm gonna hold the on-air sign. There you go. Okay, now let's hit stop. Now let's watch it. All right. Okay, now let's go to photos. Let's view the most recent one, 23 seconds, far right. And immerse yourself. View immersive. Does it look like you're in it?
Oh my God, look at this. Yeah, look at this. I can see myself.
Does it look like it's in 3D? Like you feel like that stuff is in
Dude, I feel like I'm in here. It looks like it's, look.
Does it feel like that stuff is in front of you? Because obviously on a 2D screen it doesn't.
Bro, it does. It does. It does. Watch.
It feels like it's in a, like.
Watch. I feel like you're right here. Look, dude, I can touch you, bro.
Well, I'm gonna step away, and I'm not gonna be there.
Dude, I can see you, bro.
It feels like I'm there.
Oh my God, dude, I'm grabbing at it. I'm grabbing at it. This is hilarious.
Like
bro, I feel like it. Oh my God. Oh my. Okay.
Oh yeah.
Oh, how you doing, guys?
Does it look like they're right?
They're staring at me. How you doing, guys? There he is. There's Guy Boucher. There's Sheldon Skeef.
Skeef.
There's Brad Tree Living.
Does it feel like they're there with you? A little bit?
They're all staring at me.
Alright, okay, let's close this. Click it.
Exit view.
Let's go to the first one. That is from the Heritage Classic game. Oh yeah, does it feel like you're there?
Woo! Let's go!
Does
Go,
it feel
Leafs,
like
go!
you're there?
Go, Leafs, go, yeah! Go, Leafs, go!
Alright, let's try the next one. We'll go to the Bell Center.
There we go.
Now panorama it. Oh yeah, does it feel like you're there at the Bell Center?
Go, Leafs, go!
We don't
Go,
like the
Leafs,
hats.
go!
We don't like the hats.
Go, Leafs, go!
This is when I was at the Leafs game in Montreal, and I took a panorama because I knew this would be a day where we were testing out the Vision Pro. Isn't that awesome?
Dude.
I need to experience that later.
Oh my god, I'm back to reality. This is hilarious.
Does it feel like you want to do this?
I want to do this so bad.
I'm going back in reality. In virtual reality.
We are going to experience a FaceTime call, and we are going to see how it works. Hello, hello.
What does my persona look like?
It looks like virtual reality.
Yeah, and I see you right in front of me. I can move you around, right here, right here. I can put him right on the wall there. Boom. Now Logan is on the wall right there, and I am right there. That looks so weird. Like, oh my god. Unreal. That's a FaceTime call. Now let's see if I can put, what else can I do? I could share my view. Alright.
Oh my god.
Can you see?
Yeah.
Wait,
how you doing?
See, I have you on the wall. Look, I'm gonna move you around.
How you doing over there?
There you go. See, now I have you here. I'm gonna move you to there again. And I'm gonna pull you out. Oh, that's the biggest it goes. Yeah, there you are. Right there on the wall. You're like a big portrait on the wall. That's hilarious. Hey! Woo! Alright. On to the next thing. So I can go my music. I can go here. And I can hit this song. There you go. You like no one else. Yeah, see, I'm watching, I'm seeing. Alright, let me quit that.
Okay, now
I can edit a Final Cut video while looking at it in Vision Pro. Let's go full screen. This is like really big right now. I'm gonna make this smaller and bring it closer to me. Oh yeah. I'm gonna go with this TML playoff pump. I can't really play the video, but as you can see, I'm literally editing it in full time. As you can see here, oh, I can't show you that. I'm looking at least playoff goals from the previous season. I'm looking at John Tavares' overtime winner right now. Playing here, I'm just gonna mute that. I can't show too much of this because it's copyrighted, but that's how that looks like. Pretty epic.
So that's it for today's video, guys. If you want to like, comment, subscribe, and please leave that notification bell rung so you get all our latest uploads, and we'll catch you on the next one.
I hope you enjoyed our coverage on Apple Vision Pro. If you got any questions, let me know and I'll try and answer them as best I can. This is what the inside looks like, by the way, if you haven't seen it already. That's it right there. And now we're gonna head out. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you in a future video.
Peace.
With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say you do it night, but in the morning you just sleep. With us it's all or nothing. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say you do it night, but in the morning you just leave. With us it's all or nothing.